Okay, TikTok family. I guess you guys saw the excitement with the bees, but I was on my way to show you guys that we were doing a chicken coop build out. So I don't know if you guys can see right there. That's the little addition we added on, and this white little chicken coop is the original coop that I had when we first got chickens. So what I'm gonna do is my chicks from the baby chick videos, I'm gonna put those here. Until they get a little bigger so that I can introduce them into the bigger coop. But also I'm going to use this one as maybe like a chicken hospital, so if one of them get ill, they can be separated. But out of the chickens that I had, I've lost a couple. So right now, out of my main 4 hens, I currently have 4 left. They were getting sick. I guess in the past month or 2 months, I had 2 chickens get sick. So basically what happens is they become a little lethargic, not being able to keep their balance, and then they become, I guess, paralyzed. So in all the reading that I've been doing, they may have Merrick's, because I didn't get these hens vaccinated. So that could be it. So right now I'm down to 4. These 4 here. So we'll see how they do. They're coming up on a year old. They're still laying. I got 4 eggs yesterday. So out of all 4, everything is good. The eggs are fine. Everybody's looking okay for now. I've beefed up their vitamins, putting a little oregano oil in their water, and giving them table scraps that has dried oregano in it. So again, before I introduce the new ones in with them, I just want to get them acclimated to being out here. Plus they're a little stinky and I want to get them out of my little storage garage area. So, and they've gotten so big I haven't done an update on them. So let me give you guys a little tour of the build out. And it's not that big. I think maybe it's a 10 by 10 or something like that, maybe 10 by 14, I don't know, 12 by 14. So basically what you can see is that it's just an extension of, I still got on my bee suit from the other video. So it's still an extension from the main one. I just added it to it, put some hardware on there. I got a lock in the house somewhere, just basic hardware. And it was a low spot because I had some flowers here, and plus we had like a tree cut down and grind up, so it was a little bit of a lower area. So I dug up some of that dirt in there and threw it in there, and I still have to build it up a little bit. But again, this is just a basic chicken coop. It should be fine for the 6 of them until I decide to introduce them in with the other flock. But it claims it can hold, I think, 6, so it'll be perfect. I got a couple of, I don't know if you guys can see these bricks down here just to keep it up off the ground, and I got them just like on the corners for now, but I think I'm gonna go around and put them all the way around because I guess it's a little stable. Yesterday I was over there, I think, putting hardware on the back doors, and it seemed to wobble, but probably because I moved. So basic, I had some leftover pieces of wiring, so what I did is just brought it around the edge, just on this side and this side, because this is kind of flimsy. And I don't know if you guys saw my other video where the hawk was just sitting perched up there, and I want to kind of reinforce it. This is mesh here. I haven't closed that in. That's what I'll do today, and I'll probably put those other chicks in here sometimes this evening or tomorrow. But this is pretty much it. Again, we'll use this as a transition place for the new chicks before we introduce them in with the other ones. Pretty easy build out. I don't know what he used, but I do have an issue here where it's a little lower. I don't know if you can see at the door. I don't want anything trying to get up under there, but there are some spikes where I cut it off because it was dragging the ground. But pretty much we brought the wire out and we put some boards around it, and I just covered up the wiring. I pinned it down with the little pins you get, garden pins, and I nailed it down and brought it all the way around. So, and this is the back of it. Pretty simple. No, we didn't build it. I bought it. I think chicken coop something. But it's a nice coop. I sprayed it out, disinfected, put some I forgot what it's called, but it's just good for like mites and bugs because we had it tarped sitting in a corner somewhere. We was going to give it to someone, but unfortunately they live in an HOA and they couldn't have chickens. So, but as you can see, this is the back. That's the original part. Trying to keep everything a little bit cohesive. We may or may not paint the trim. I doubt it because it doesn't matter at this point. I may put some tall grasses on the outside of it, but that's it. That's our build out for the coop. And once we get the young hens in, I'll show you guys. So it's a pretty nice space. I think they will really enjoy it, especially compared to where they are now. I still have them in that little tub, and they've gotten so big in 4 weeks and in a month. They're so sweet. But again, thank you guys for watching. Chicken coop build out for my new hens, and I'll use it as a chicken hospital. Thanks guys for watching. Keep gardening, keep homesteading.